GMA Connect, 13th of May, Ashton Gate Stadium. Great place to be hosting it. Are you looking forward to it?
Yeah, looking forward to it. It's going to be a great opportunity to showcase what we do here at Ashton Gate. Obviously, we're a multi-sport venue. We have football and rugby. Very busy.
Yeah, I mean, Ashton Gate Stadium, from my side of things, no better location to have it really, to learn from the best, your team that maintain this amazing pitch and the wider training facilities. The demands on those surfaces very high this year, and ever increasing across community sport and wider grounds.
Yeah, it's definitely a challenge for us as a grounds department. We look after Bristol City's high performance centre as well as Bristol Bears high performance centre as well. As a department, we like to think that we have a very high standard. We like to think we're pushing the boundaries for what can be achieved by grounds teams. And we also have to share that knowledge.
Having the GMA Connect here on the 13th, an opportunity for the wider community in terms of grounds professionals in their sectors to come in, hear about the challenges that you're facing, hear about the solutions that you've put in to kind of improve and sustain that high benchmark that you currently maintain. So it's a great learning opportunity for people to come and connect with yourselves, make new connections, and it's always good to have a chat with your colleagues that you haven't seen for a while. It's a busy time of year all round, but I think there's a lot to be gained in terms of having those conversations, taking the time out to meet up, and you always take an awful lot from it.
Yeah, definitely. Like, having our peers come to the event will be it's a privilege, really. Like, having other professionals come and look at what you're doing and what you're achieving, it reflects well on us as a team as well as the industry, and having the opportunity to address those people in seminars and workshops. We're going to have demonstrations out here. We're going to have exhibitors out pitch side as well, so we're very excited about that.
So we're going to have Alex Vickers here doing some soil testing and talking to the attendees about soil, and we'll have key account manager for cricket, Ian Mather-Brewster, talking clubs through how to deliver a surface assessment of their facilities.
Yeah, so that is all taking place out on the pitch. So we're going to have a demonstration area out here where they're going to be conducting their demonstrations. I'd be really interested to see the soil analysis. Obviously, we take soil analysis regularly, so it'll be interesting to see what they can find that we can't.
Definitely. And what's the session that you're delivering, Jack?
So the session I'm delivering, I'm giving everyone a tour of our sheds. So essentially it's like what you've got in your shed, like the mowers we use, the products we use, and then myself and Sean Williams from Gloucester will be talking about dealing with climate change.
Sounds brilliant, like a behind the scenes of Ashton Gate.
Behind the scenes of Ashton Gate.
We've heard about the practical sessions and the seminars that are going to be delivered. Jack, who's exhibiting?
So we've got a number of exhibitors. Our headline sponsor for the event is Kramer. They're supported by Izeki, CampuTurf Care, Fleet, GKB, Abundigrow, Turfix and Actrols.
Jack, why would you encourage somebody interested in GMA Connect to sign up?
It's a great opportunity to learn, to network, to have the discussions that you don't really get the chance to in your own teams. From a personal point of view, coming to see another team's pitch would be quite a draw. And also having those conversations with your fellow professionals around issues that they face, products that they use, ways of working which can potentially affect us, which maybe they can take away for themselves. So I'm excited with that side of things. Also the seminars, being able to learn in an environment with other professionals. You don't really get that opportunity very often, so it's definitely a draw for me.
Yeah, it's a great opportunity to get a bit of a behind-the-scenes look at Ashton Gate Stadium and meet with some of your colleagues to talk about, the really important topics of climate change and how that's affecting the turf care industry at the moment, as well as network and make new connections.
Yeah, we're very excited to host the event here, and hopefully it'll be a springboard for many more events like this.
As ever, good to see you again, Jack. Looking forward to the event on the 13th, and thank you for hosting it here and everything that you and your team have put into it.
Yeah, no problem. Good to see you. Hopefully we'll see many more of you here.